This is Shelley Kraft. We're coming to you live on SNN Live. We're at the Global Trade Expo 2012 in Beverly Hills. I'm with Chris Fure of LDJ Capital, and he is the Director of Development, and we are sponsored here by the Soho Loft, which is a division of LDJ Capital. I'm almost done with my interview already. How are you, Chris?
Very good. Thanks for having me, Sheldon.
It's good to have you. Okay, so let's get right into it. Tell me about the focus of LDJ.
Well, LDJ Capital is... Let me speak about the LDJ Capital Fund, which is what I'm responsible for. The LDJ Capital Fund is interested in investing in innovative crowdfunding strategies, meaning companies that have ways to pushing product to new customers in a new and effective way that not only gains data, but also revenue, early stream revenue. And so we're looking at both platform companies, and we're also looking at product companies who have found a new way to reach their audience in a highly effective manner.
So you're really just looking at all of the particulars. You're drilling down and seeing what's going on in the I guess the private sector of crowdfunding.
That's right. We've put together an extremely extensive analytic, and that analytic helps us to essentially rank our bets, and therefore not just put money into them, but also because of our position, because we own the Soho Loft, and because the Soho Loft is now I would say the top conference presenter from Rome to LA in every city, virtually every week. Because we have this wonderful ability to not only attract entrepreneurs, but also capital, we are finding ourselves with a core competency that can help push our bets into the market space in a highly efficient manner.
So, ladies and gentlemen, it happens in new markets. People like Chris get into the business, and now he's attracting both entrepreneurs and investors. I would say that's about your postulate, correct?
Yes, that's correct. But we're also learning, and that's the most important thing. Because as we learn by talking to everyone, we're able to better match their interests, and we're better to network. So we can take one company that has a very good idea in one space, but not necessarily think about another space, and we can either create an alliance between companies, or we can give them an advantage to their business model that helps them to think through their needed executables. So
you're on a panel today.
I am on the panel today. I'm on the marketing side today.
So what are you talking about?
Well, today I'm talking about the importance of crowd building and how essential that is, not only to launching your campaign, but also to maintaining momentum.
So you're talking, once you get involved in perhaps investing in a company, in a crowdfunding platform, you want to stay with that company. You want to learn more about that company, and that's what you're involved in?
Yeah, that's right. I mean, the bottom line is that making passive bets never wins. You have to be active. You have to be in a situation where you can help guide that company's management, give them good information and good relationships that we have that very few others have simply because of the Soho Loft.
Ladies and gentlemen, Chris Fure, LDJ Capital. He's the development director. We are at the Global Trade Expo 2012 in Beverly Hills, which is sponsored by the Soho Loft. As SNN likes to say, thanks for coming on to SNN Live.
Okay, thank you very much, Sheldon.
Good to have you.
Okay.